Ear infections and yeast. First of all, please don't put anything in your cat's or dog's ear until your veterinarian has made sure that their eardrum is intact and they don't have a ruptured eardrum. When you're at the vets, make sure that they do a culture and a sensitivity. This is really important. This way they can find out whether it's yeast, bacteria, or both. And if for some reason you need to give them antibiotics, you will know what antibiotic that the infection is sensitive to. So you're going to hear me say about doing cultures and sensitivities and things like that lots, because I really feel it's important to, if you're going to do antibiotics, you want to take a perspective that you are going to kill that bacteria within that course of antibiotics, not partially kill them, or you know use the wrong antibiotics. So then you do a whole course of antibiotics, doesn't go away, then you have to do another course of antibiotics or a different course of antibiotics. Just freaking figure it out right from the very beginning and just do it right from the get-go. So my choices for remedies for ear infections, whether it's yeast or bacteria, it doesn't really matter. Again, always start with arnica and aconite. And again, you can do this before you even get to the vet. You don't have to worry whether it's yeast, whether it's bacteria, is it eardrum intact or blown. You don't have to worry about any of that. You just start giving it to them right away to decrease inflammation and help with pain. And you can do it every hour, 3 times. That's my go-to all the time. And then every 6 hours, 2 times after that. If it really hurts and it's really painful right from the get-go, all of a sudden your dog or your cat shaking its ear, and you scratching its ear, and you open up their ear and you're like, and it's stinky and red and inflamed and swollen and painful, you can start right away with belladonna. So you can add belladonna to your aconite and to your arnica, and you just follow the same schedule. If it's not that red or not swollen or not that painful, but it's more just itchy and they're shaking their head, then you could just use the aconite and arnica until you get in to see the vet. But once you do, you can follow either the arnica or the belladonna with silica and heparin sulf. So whether you've done arnica and aconite alone or arnica, aconite, and belladonna, once you finish that, you can start silica, and heparin sulf, and then you do that 3 times a day for 5 days. The next thing that I'm a big fan of is something called, I used it at my practice all the time, is something called Zymox Otic Enzymatic Solution. Dr. Judy Morgan, she has it on her website. It's amazing. I wouldn't suggest the one with hydrocortisone, nor even the cleaner, just the simple enzyme solution, and just follow the directions. It's the best ear stuff I've ever used, ear medication I've ever seen ever. I highly recommend it.